welcome to Randomfix. Today, Cyrus and I are going to be refilling the RV's fresh water here. So, this is our RV here. This is a Forest River built on the Mercedes chassis on the Sprinter. And if you open up your compartment here, you should notice that you have one of these. This is actually for the tank flush. There's a little guide right here. So you want to run this as you're actually emptying the black water, and this will give you a much better result of cleaning the tank. And then you have another one right here. This is going to be for the water, for the inlet, and you have a little lever so you can select if you want to go ahead and fill the tank, or if you're camping somewhere and they have full hookups, you can hook it up like that and just use the water pressure to take showers without having to use the water from the tank. So today we're actually going to be doing something else. We're going to be doing a tank fill, so stay tuned for that. So this is my setup right here. I got my water pressure regulator right up here. I got my drinking water RV filter. I don't actually drink the water from the RV anyway. I just do this just to be safe. And you want to use a drinking water rated hose, which it's completely up to you. Again, if you're not drinking this, I don't see this becoming a big concern, and you want to connect that up to your actual water supply.
And guys, and we're fixing the RV.
Yeah, we're going to fix the RV and put water in there now.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got this connected here. One thing when you're putting this on, to actually attach it, you want to turn the inlet counterclockwise, so you're going to be turning it that direction to attach it. And if I had to redo this, one thing I would have done is actually get a 90 here versus this.
What does this do?
That's a light, and these are lights, and this is a water pump if you want the water pump on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water here, and before we do so, what I like to do is check the level. This is the water pump right here, and with our little helper here, we can see that our fresh water is about 2/3 full, so we need a little bit of water. So I'm going to show you what to expect and how this actually happens. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water. Alright, so the water is making it into the tank now, and this definitely keeps the stress off. As I said before, if you get a chance, you might want to put a 90-degree elbow, the one that's connected right here. Do the same exact thing for up here, so that way this will just hang down instead of this little arc it has. And let this fill up, and I'll show you what's going to happen next. Go ahead. As this is happening, sometimes I'll come back inside and just check what's actually happening here on the display, and you can see it still reads 2/3 full. Now that the water is running, let me show you guys the setup here. We've got the water regulator here. I'll have a link to everything in the description box below. We have the flex pipe here, which really relieves some of the strain on the pipes. We got a 90-degree elbow here. We got the main water filter here, and we got a drinking grade water hose here. And right when your tank fills up, you're going to hear something on the ground. That's letting you know your tank is full. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the water now. With our tank full, Cyrus is going to go ahead and turn off the water now. Good job. You did it, little man. Okay, come on. Let's go disconnect it. And now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the hose here. And before I store the water filter here, I let it drain upside down to get all the water out on both ends. You could even use the ladder here on the back to go ahead and hang the water hose upside down. Alright guys, I really hope the video helped you guys out. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, smash on the notification bell, and hit that thumbs up button. If you got any comments or questions, leave them below. I'll have links to any of the tools or the products that I use in the video as well. Have a fantastic day and happy RVing. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.